In this video, I'll show you how to change your number on GCash. The first thing to know is that GCash does not simply edit the mobile number inside your existing account. GCash says that to change your number, you need to request a fund transfer to your new number, and both the old and new numbers must belong to the same account owner. So the usual process is this. First, create a new GCash account using your new mobile number. After that, make sure the new account is under your name, because GCash says number changes are handled by transferring funds and services to another GCash account owned by the same person. If needed, you should also make sure the new account is properly verified, especially if you want full access to services. GCash's help pages also note that some linked products may have separate number update rules. For example, a linked GCash card transfer to a new number requires the new number to be fully verified, and some partner products such as #YouKnowReady at GCash are managed by the partner institution instead. After your new account is ready, follow GCash's official number change article and submit the request to move your funds and services from the old number to the new one. GCash's Help Center says this is the official method for changing the mobile number linked to your account. And one more thing. If your old SIM is lost or stolen, GCash says you should first secure the old account through the lost SIM/phone help flow in the app before handling other account changes. So again, to change your number on GCash, create a new account with your new number, make sure it belongs to the same account owner, then request the official transfer of funds and services from the old number to the new one through GCash support. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.